and Z22 is what? That is V2 by I2 when I1 was 0. Okay, now let us see the other circuit, other case. If we make I2 to be 0, here we are making I2 equal to 0. It means what? We are going to open circuiting second port, output port. Okay, so if we keep I2 equal to 0, it means open circuiting the output port. What we get in from first equation? V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus this one Z12 into I2 equal to 0, or to write down like this, Z12 into 0. Then we can write Z11, or like this, Z11 equal to V1 by I1. Okay, and this is the value of Z11 when we had taken I2 equal to 0. Okay, then let us see here again. Here this is the ratio of voltage and current. Again impedance parameter, and now what we have taken? I2 to be 0, therefore it is it means I2 0 means we have open circuited the output. Then this is, we can say this is the value of open circuit impedance parameter. Okay, and now what we are observing? This is the ratio of first voltage of input port and current of input port. It means this is the ratio of voltage and current of the same port. Therefore this is known as, complete name of this one is driving port open circuit impedance parameter. Okay, what? Of the same value ratio of the same port of voltage and current. Therefore driving I2 equal to 0, it means second port, output port is open circuited, therefore open circuit, ratio of voltage and current, therefore impedance parameter. Okay, then here just write down the value of Z11 equal to what? Z11 equal to V1 by I1 when I2 equal to 0. Okay, now see the case of again for third value we have obtained first, second, third, 3 values, and Z parameter has 4 values. Now here again we are going to open circuiting output port. This is the voltage V2 and these are the value of I1, similar as before V1. Okay, 2 port network. Okay, then if taking I2 equal to 0, it means open circuiting port, output port, we keep taking I2 equal to 0 in equation 2. Okay, then what we get here? V2 is equal to Z21 into I1 plus Z22 into 0. Okay, now this becomes Z21 Z21 and this one is I1 and this value becomes to 0. And now Z21 is what? V2 by I1, and this value we have obtained when I2 was 0. Okay, then let us see here again. Here V2 is the voltage of output port, current of input port, then this is the ratio of voltage and current, then obviously this is the impedance parameter. Okay, first thing. Second, we have taken I2 to be equal to 0. It means we have open circuited the output port. Then this is what? This is open circuit impedance parameter, and what is left here? This is the ratio of voltage of second port and output port and current of input port. Therefore here this is known as forward transfer open circuit impedance parameter. Full name of this one is forward transfer open circuit impedance parameter. Okay, now let us arrange this one. Z1 Z impedance parameter was what? Impedance parameter was Z12 Z12. This one we have known obtained the value of Z11. Okay, this is V1 by I1 at I2 equal to 0. Okay, now Z12 is V1 by I2 when I1 equal to 0. Now Z21 is what? Z21 we have a I2 V2 by I1 and when I2 equal to 0. Okay, and now finally Z22 is equal to what? That is V2 by I2. Okay, and when Z22 and I1 equal to 0. Okay, these are the values of impedance parameter. Okay, we have to study about this one. Now it is quite clear to all of you. Okay, then in next class we will discuss about here in place of open we will take short circuit impedance parameter. Okay, then now I switch off at this point. Okay.